Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a heading in Elementor WordPress. This is a handy skill that saves you time when building pages, especially when you need multiple headings with the same styling or want to quickly replicate a design element without starting from scratch. First, open your website's WordPress admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to start building and editing your pages. Next, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. This creates a fresh page for you to work with. You'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that button. This launches the Elementor Page Builder interface, which gives you full visual control over your page design. Now that Elementor is open, look for the blue plus icon. This icon allows you to add a new section to your page. Click it to insert a blank section where you can start adding your content elements. With your section in place, it's time to add a heading widget to the container. On the left panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in heading and you'll see the heading widget appear in the results. Simply drag it into your container. This widget is what you'll use to display your text on the page. Once the heading widget is added, you'll notice a field labeled title on the left panel. Click into that field and type your desired text. For example, you might type something like, "Welcome to our site." This text will immediately appear in your page preview, giving you a live look at how it will appear to visitors. Now comes the duplication step. To duplicate the heading widget, right-click directly on the widget itself in the preview area. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, select Duplicate. This action creates a second identical heading widget right below the first one, complete with the same text and styling. This is perfect for creating consistent layouts or setting up multiple headings that you can customize individually later on. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a heading in Elementor WordPress. This simple technique can speed up your workflow significantly, especially when you're building pages with repetitive elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.